Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Inkfluence AI, a tool that claims to generate published read books with AI writing, professional cover design, and export support. So it's an ebook creation tool that you will add a prompt, and the tool will automatically create your book, and then you will be able to um, edit it and try to make it better in the tool. The difference of tiers here is the number of chapters per month. You get unlimited chapters per month on tier 3, and only on tier 3 you're gonna get the audiobooks and the AI audiobook voice. So you will need the tier 3 if you want to get more value of the tool. So let's take a look in Influence AI. Here's the tool. I'm going to sign in to test the tool right now. So I'm just logging in. And now I have here a prompt, and I'm going to constitutional law book. I want to create a constitutional law book, and I'm going to click here to create the book. The tool will create the chapters. As you can see, it's pretty fast. And it created the book. So judicial review and its limits, separation of power, federalism, substantive due process, equal protection. So they create all the chapters at the same time. And here you can see the cover design that they create. And you also be able to check the book. Here's the quality of the book. They create with the book with many exercise. Here's the chapter 2. Here's the chapter 3. You'll be able to use AI to find and replace, improve readability, um, create a book description, and you can export the book on PDF, KDP, EPUB, doc, audio. Um, the tool has other features as well. You can import content to transform your existing content into professional ebooks, and you can translate your ebook into 16 language, reformat it as a workbook course or stud guide, generate multi formats at once, turn into a series, or turn it into an audiobook. Those are the features. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.